Yeah, it's Jamie Preston
Fantastic. Where have you come from?
in Gillingham, so in Kent, just up the A2.
Lovely. And tell me where we are today.
Where we are, Samuel Leeds property development. Been a good day today, so yeah, listening to his podcast and what he does. Yeah, a good mentor. So yeah, so listening to how to pull money out of property, which is yeah, pretty knowledgeable. I bought a property years ago, but I wish we could have done it then. Instead of like now, what he's actually saying to us is pretty cool, to be honest.
Fantastic. So you think you feel like you've learned a lot today?
I learn loads, and hopefully there's a little bit more still to go on. Hopefully we'll learn a little bit more as we go along.
Fantastic. And I appreciate taking you guys away from it.
That's
So
right, yeah,
I'll
no
be
problem
nice
at all.
and quick with you. What do you think of Samuel's energy?
Oh yeah, loads of energy. So yeah, yeah, pretty good.
Fantastic. And to someone who's thinking about coming to the crash course, what would you say to them?
Oh, 100% come to the crash course. If you're going to come, makes a big difference, and I think you can learn a lot of knowledge. If you do, I think you'll end up buying property, and it'll push you forward for it. So yeah, very, very good day. 100%, 1,000,000% come.